Hello everybody! You've probably been wondering where I've been for the last sort of 3 or 4 months. The last time you heard from me was in the centre of Australia at Alice Springs, and well, for all you know, I could have died. So I'm not dead. What I've done for the last 4 or 5 months is prepare myself to move to another country. Now, some of you might know, some of you might not know, that I applied for work in China. That's why I'm doing this video now. Anyway, here I am in a place called Zhengzhou. Zhengzhou is approximately maybe about a 3 or 4 hour train ride south of Beijing. That's where you'll find the Great Wall of China. And it's probably about the same distance west of Shanghai as well. So it's round about the centre of China. The good thing about this place, although there's no oceans now, there's no extreme weather conditions. You're not going to get hurricanes or earthquakes or that sort of thing here, which is, you know, always good. The main reason I came to China, well, it was more of an ultimatum. I could have gone to New Zealand, which was part of the plan in the first place, but I would have gone there, I would have spent a ton of money, and then would have been forced to go back to the UK and get a job and sort of live that lifestyle that I've lived for the past, 30 odd years. So I didn't want to do that, and I decided to use the money that I had to apply for work in China. And so I did some research online, and I always wanted to teach English in a foreign country anyway, which was part of the plan. It was going to be Vietnam, but I saw China, I saw a company in China, so I applied for them, and the process went really well, and I got offered a job within a matter of days, and it was just excellent. And now it's come to the stage 6 months later that I've arrived, and I wanted to do this video just to give you guys an update more than anything else, because I wanted to continually do videos more often for you guys, but well, one, I got a bit lazy, and two, I didn't feel there was really anything sort of interesting enough to put up for you. And I reckon in hindsight, there's probably plenty of things I could have shown you guys. Now, I hope not to get lazy with it again. I want to try and do more videos for you guys of sort of life in China. So if you're interested in seeing some more videos, why don't you put something down in the comments below of what you'd like to see in China? Is it some food? The food is amazing, by the way. Do you want to see where I live? I mean, it's for free, I don't pay for it. There's local gym close by, you want to see me work out? I don't know. Or even just you want to see daily vlogs, life in China. Maybe you'd like to see some of that. Either way, I want to try and do more videos for you guys and let you know what's going on. Anyway, let's hit that like button. Why not subscribe? And I will catch you guys on the flip side. Okay, bye bye.